Are you an aspirant terrier or utility judge? Well, then the Golden City Fox Terrier Club and the Northern Areas French Bulldog Clubs are hosting a hands-on judging workshop aimed at prospective Fox Terrier and French Bulldog judges. The event is approved by the JEC and will take place on Sunday the 27th of November at 10 a.m. in the Old Benching Hall at Goldfields Kennel Club. The learners will be guided through the process of judging a smooth Fox Terrier from first impressions on entering the ring, the detailed examination of the head and body all the way through to legs and feet, and finally the movement before placing the exhibit. The wire Fox Terrier breed standard is very similar to the smooth Fox Terrier standard, and aside from obvious head and coat differences, the breeds have different interpretations in some parts of the standards, as they are two distinctly different breeds. The learner will be taken through all phases of judging the French Bulldog, from the entering into the ring to the evaluation on the table and confirming that the exhibit's structure is sound, and finally assessing the movement of the exhibit. So take out your camera right now and take a photo of this information page. This is a wonderful opportunity for specialist judges to improve their knowledge base and understanding of these breeds, but also to improve the ability to better assess these rather challenging breeds. It's very important for you to book now and diarise this date. There will only be 24 seats available. At 150 Rand, the workshop covers all three breeds for the price of one. In accordance with the JEC requirements, this workshop must be accredited by KUSA JEC, and your credits can be accumulated. The facilitators for the day will be Adrian Sheesby, Nico Dupree, and Ronnie Ryrie. All these details will be available from our secretary, chairman, or check the Facebook pages. See you there.